Meaning of gilding.
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 Gilding. Gilding refers to the process of applying a thin layer of gold or a substance resembling gold onto a surface. This technique has been used for centuries to enhance the appearance of various objects, including furniture, sculptures, and architectural features. The result of gilding can be a strikingly luxurious and opulent look, adding a sense of prestige and glamour to the item being decorated. The use of gilding continues to be popular today, with modern applications including the embellishment of picture frames, mirrors, and even electronic devices.